This is Mielle. We're back another video. Today I'm going to be doing my own edges. Today I'm using this, Mielle. So my mom did my hair, and I'm doing my own edges, and she's not. You dip it. See that this out the way so my hair doesn't get messed up. I really know how to do my edges, and I really like my edges.
Who taught you how to do your edges?
My mom taught me how to do my edges. Wait, this one a little more. So I look pretty. So I really want a phone. There was 2 left for Christmas because Christmas was last weekend on Christmas Eve. And I really like to go to fun places and have fun with my whole family. And I like my sister with my dad, and I really missed her. We're all gonna go there to his house. My mom's coming too. Thought she was not coming though. Back to finish my edges, then we're all going. The whole family, but Mama is already at Daddy's because she had it to take. Daddy had it to take some Mama, so Mama can do my hair. This is what it looks like. It looks white, and I know it looks different. It looks like thing. Okay, I want to do this one. Looks different to me. Kind of does look different. I'm so excited. My birthday's not coming up, but I'm so excited. My birthday is coming up, right?
When's your birthday?
My birthday's May 17. I'm 5. My sister's 6. I'm about to turn 6. She's about to turn 7. My sister's 2. She's about to turn 3 like Zaya.
Just talk to your people.
So I wonder, do you like my edges or not? So it looks nasty to me. Yo! I don't want my edges to be nasty. I bet too much. Just gonna get a little. Just a little. Okay. So I made this one like this. On my ear, I made this one like this. Make it straight, which they're both different. Like they're both different. They don't look the same. This one like a straight line. And this one looks like that. They both look like on each side, so I'm gonna spin around and show you my whole hair. Oh. Oh, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna show you that back. So this is how you do your edges like this. And it looks so cute. You'll be so pretty next time if you watch all me and my mom's video. Don't forget to subscribe. In our next video, we'll see you again next time.